Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle kite at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a lightweight fabric, such as ripstop nylon or a durable plastic sheet, measuring at least 30 inches by 30 inches. Next, find 2 flexible spars, ideally fiberglass or bamboo, each about 24 inches in length. Don't forget a strong flying line, a bridle string, and basic tools like scissors, strong adhesive tape, and a ruler for precise measurements. Now let's construct the kite's circular frame. Begin by cutting your chosen fabric into a perfect circle, approximately 30 inches in diameter. Find the exact center of this circle. Next, take your 2 24-inch spars and lay them across the circle, forming an X shape with their intersection at the center point. Securely tape each spar to the fabric at the center and at all 4 points where the spars meet the circle's edge. This creates a stable, lightweight structure. Next, we'll attach the crucial bridle system for stable flight. You'll need 3 pieces of strong string for this. Attach 1 bridle line to the top spar, approximately 6 inches from the kite's center. Then, attach 2 more bridle lines to the bottom spar, each about 6 inches from the center, 1 on each side. Bring these 3 bridle lines together and tie them securely at a single point, creating the toe point where your flying line will connect. This 3-point system ensures balance. For the final steps, attach your main flying line to the bridle's toe point with a strong knot. Double-check all your tape and knots to ensure everything is secure and ready for flight. Now, find an open space, like a park or a field, with a gentle, consistent breeze, ideally between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Hold the kite up, allowing the wind to catch its surface. As the wind lifts it, slowly release the flying line, guiding your homemade circle kite into the sky for a delightful flight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.